Hello friends, today we are going to learn about use of influence line diagram for simply supported beam having the span length as 10 meter. It means that we have given the length of the span L as a 10 meter and we have to find out the maximum reaction, shear force at location 4 meter as well as the bending moment, and the location 4 meter from any support. It means that we can take small x as a 4 meter for the section. Now we have given the two wheel loads having 20 kilonewton and 15 kilonewton as a intensity, which are spaced at 2 meter from each other, but we do not given the data as 20 kilonewton load is ahead or 15 kilonewton load is ahead. So for the calculation of maximum shear force and bending moment, we can interchange the load according to the requirement. So first of all, we have to draw the influence line diagram for reactions, shear force at 4 meter as well as the bending moment for 4 meter at the support. Hence the diagram is where for RA and RB the ordinates are 1 and 0 at left and right support as well as 0 and 1 at left and right support for RA and RB respectively. Now for the shear force at x distance, the negative value is x by L. So from the given data, x by L is 4 by 10, which is equal to 0.4. So this ordinate is 0.4. Similarly, for positive value, the ordinate is L minus x by L. So 10 minus 4 divided by 10 as a L minus x by L, which is equal to 6 by 10 as 0.6. So our value is 0.6. Similarly, for bending moment, the value is x by L into L minus x. So x by L into L minus x, which is equal to 2.4. So first step is to draw influence line diagram for required characteristics and put up the all ordinates according to the equation as we derive for the simply supported beam. Now first of all, we are going to calculate maximum reaction . Now we have given 20 kilonewton and 15 kilonewton which are spaced at 2 meter from each other. It means that we have given the two loads having intensity 20 kilonewton and 15 kilonewton which are placed at 2 meter from each other. Now for the maximum calculation of RA, we know that the ordinate 1 is higher in the diagram. It means that we have to put our 20 kilonewton load over the point A, and at the distance of 2 meter our other load as 15 kilonewton will be on the span. Hence under the point of 15 kilonewton, it means that the ordinate on the RA where total length is 10 meter and the distance between two load is 2 meter. It means that from similar triangle rule, if we take at 10 meter the value is 1, hence at the distance of 8 meter the value is 8 by 10 as a 0.8. So ordinate under the load 20 kilonewton is 1 and at the 15 kilonewton is 0.8. So maximum reaction can be calculated by RA is equal to load into ordinates, which is equal to 20 into 1 plus 15 into 0.8, which is equal to 32 kilonewton. So our maximum capacity of RA is 32 kilonewton as a vertical reaction. Now for the maximum reaction at B, as we have not given 20 kilonewton or 15 kilonewtons location perfectly, we can put 20 kilonewton under the ordinate 1 at location B, and at the 2 meter we can put the value of 15 kilonewton from the support B. These are the similar mirror effect of reaction at A and reaction at B. It means that our maximum capacity for the RB is also 32 kilonewton as we calculate the ordinate under the 15 kilonewton load, which is 0.8. Now let us go for the maximum shear force at location 4 meter. Now from the diagram we will have negative as well as the positive diagram at particular location X. It means that we can calculate the maximum negative as well as maximum positive value for the shear force. Hence will occur only if 20 kilonewton load is placed on section and in the left portion 15 kilonewton load will be there at distance 2 meter. Now from diagram we can say that at the 4 meter span the value is 0.4, hence at 2 meter span the value is 0.2, hence maximum negative shear force is 20 into 0.4 plus 15 into 0.2, hence the value is 11 kilonewton, which is negative. Similarly, for positive maximum shear force, we have to put 20 kilonewton over the section C and 15 kilonewton over the positive span as 15 kilonewton at distance 2 meter. Now, from the similar triangle rule, at 6 meter the value is 0.6, hence at 4 meter the ordinate value is 0.4, hence maximum positive value is 20 into 0.6 plus 15 into 0.4, which is equal to 18 kilonewton, which is maximum positive shear force. Now going ahead for the maximum bending moment, as the 20 kilonewton load is on the section for the maximum ordinate value, we have to put 15 kilonewton either on the left or on the right. So let us calculate first the ordinate at 2 meter from left hand side and right hand side, as at 4 meter the value is 2.4, hence at 2 meter the ordinate value is 1.2. Similarly, from the right hand part at distance of 6 meter the ordinate value is 2.4, hence at the 4 meter our ordinate value is 1.6. Now observing the value of ordinate at left and right, 1.6 is higher than the 1.2. So for maximum bending moment the maximum load must be putted on this section and the rest load can be putted on the section having the highest distance. It means at the 6 meter span. So our load is on B2 C part at distance 2 meter from the section, hence maximum bending moment will be 20 into 2.4 as a ordinate plus 15 into 1.6 is 72 kilonewton meter. So from the given data we can calculate easily the value of reaction, shear force and bending moment for given particular location. Thank you.